Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Honda Clarity key battery. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. This simple DIY task can save you a trip to the dealership and keep your key fob working reliably. Let's get started with the necessary tools and preparation steps. Now, let's carefully open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment point. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old coin cell battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently use your screwdriver to pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click. This indicates the fob is securely closed. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your car doors, to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.